Hello, I just thought I'd pop by to tell you about a special buy that I've got leading into Christmas. Last year we had a large roaster from Neoflam, and this year I've got the small and the medium for you. They are just so fantastic. I adore my red one, and I know I'll be keeping these as well because nothing sticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how amazing they are, because I'm going to do some roast vegetables. So I've got potato, I've got a couple of pieces of swede because me and Billy like our baked vegetables, 2 little turnip pieces, 2 sweet potato and pumpkin. And I want you to see how these cook up, because I always really hate, or I shouldn't say hate, but I really don't like when I do a roast and then half the pumpkin gets left in the tray. That's the best bit, isn't it? All right, so let's spray the top. If you wanted to do it quicker, you could actually parboil them, but I'm just going to go in as they are. So there they are. Look, I mean, that's quite a lot of roast vegetables. And I'm going to put them in the oven, and you can see how amazing they will come out. I've got the oven set for 220. I'll check these at 25 just to make sure. Actually, no, 30. Let's do 30 because they're raw. Now, what's so perfect as well is with each roaster, I'm giving you a gift because it's Christmas. Why not? So with the yellow one, you're going to get this amazing Neoflam wooden spoon or spatula. And with the green, you're getting this one. So you get the green with the green and yellow with the yellow. Now, they're on for a limited time, so I don't want you to miss out. But I'm going to come back once they're ready, and I'll show you how epic they are with roast vegetables. Well, the oven's beeping, so let's check out our roast vegetables. Oh, they're sizzling away in here. Oh, yes. Look at that. I'll show you in a sec. So, as you know, Bill and I like our roast, so we like to have lots of different vegetables, and sometimes we also do carrots. Sometimes we do beetroot. Yeah, so let's do it. Let me just sort of, this is hot. Look at that. Booyah! Nothing sticks. Isn't that incredible? And that's what I love about these Neoflam roasters. Oh my gosh, there's my pumpkin looking beautiful. Haven't lost any of the pumpkin on the base. You've got your crispy potatoes. Epic for roasting or cooking anything. Now, remember, you can get them just for a short time. And please remember, rice bran spray is what I use in Neoflam. So, as I said, you're going to get your spoon with the yellow. You're going to get the green one with the green. And I just wanted to show you how amazing this product is, and that's why I've got it on special for you right now. So don't forget to go to simplytoogood.com.au, go into the shop, and you'll see them there. Bye now.